If you're seeing this video, you are probably looking for ways you can make money online. You are watching the right video. This video is about how to make money online through Amazon KDP. Maybe you have Amazon KDP account already, or maybe you are considering starting up an Amazon KDP and you are looking for a topic that will do well, or you have a topic already but you want to know if this topic will do well or not. In this video, I'll be showing you how to search and know the topic, the niche that can do well, that can bring you that money you're looking for. Because many people who write on Amazon KDP do so because they want to make money. So I'll show you in this video if that topic you want to write on, if that niche you want to go into will do well for you or not. Ensure you watch to the end. Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. This is Grow with Stacy. Here we talk about how to make money online using different means available, how to become self-sufficient, become your own boss. If you love this type of content, please subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for more videos like this. So this video is on how to know if a topic will do well, if a niche will do well. Nowadays, more and more people are going into KDP, and many people are getting to know about it, and many people are joining KDP. And the thing is that it is very big to accommodate everybody. The platform is so big to accommodate millions of people who want to go into it. And the good thing is that you don't need to be a professional writer for you to start up writing and publishing on Amazon KDP. Many people are joining KDP because of the friendly platform of self-publishing, meaning that you don't need to be a professional writer for you to start writing and publishing, and you don't need to go to a commercial publishing company, pay huge amount of money for your book to be published. You can write on any topic and publish it yourself. And the good part of it is that Amazon will do everything for you, both printing, shipping, and customer service. All you need to do is just to write on a topic and publish it yourself. But the thing is that many people are stuck on the niche. There are several niches you can write on. You can write on health, you can write on finance, you can write on relationship, comedy, storybooks, low content niche. There are several topics, several niches you can actually write on, but many people are stuck on which one will do well. Many newbies are on this table. They don't know which niche to write on, and some persons have already written on a particular niche, but they are not seeing the sales. Their sales is not, not coming in. Maybe you have a niche already, you have a topic you want to write on already, I want to know if this topic is going to do well or not. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can search for that topic to know if many people have written on this topic and if it is actually doing well, if it has potential of giving you sales. So I'll be showing you this using my laptop. See you in the other side of this video. All right, guys, welcome back. So I won't be using any known calculator to do this. I'll be using two factors that I've used that has worked for me. It has worked. These two factors have worked for me for a long time now. So I'll be considering two things. One is I'll be looking for a topic that will give me a search result between 100 to 1000. Between 100 to 1000. Anything above 1000, I will know that the market is getting saturated. Anything less than 100, that the total search result is not up to 100, I will know that people are not actually buying this topic. So that is the very first thing I'll be considering. The second factor I'll be considering is the bestseller rank. If the bestseller rank of the topic I want to write on, people that have written on it, if the bestseller rank is, I'll be looking for a bestseller rank of 300k and below. I know that this particular topic, people are actually buying it, but if the topic I'm searching for has bestseller rank 400 and above, I know that it is not really doing well and does not have any potential of giving me sales. So these are the two factors I'll be considering. So I'll be searching for topics on different niches like health, maybe relationship, to show you how you can do this. So now I'll be searching for, let's search for a particular topic. You can do this with any topic of your choice to check if you can, these two factors, if you can see them, if you can check all these two factors, and if you see a good result, you can go ahead and write on that particular topic. Let me search on. So I'm searching on this particular topic, diabetic cookbook and meal plan. Let me see the results. You can actually do this using any topic of your choice. So now this is giving me over 6,000 results for this diabetes cookbook and meal plan. So now I know that this particular one is already saturated. Many people have written on it, and if you are a newbie on Amazon KDP and you write on it, you might likely not get sales because a lot of big authors have written on it. Well, let me see if I can narrow it down to daily meal plan. So as you can see now, I've tried to narrow down the niche, and I'm getting search result is giving me 201. As you can see from this video, this shows that this particular topic has potential of giving you sales if you should write on it, because people have written on it. You can see search result is above 100 and the total search result is not above, it's just 201. People are still writing on it. As you can see, the first diabetic cookbook and meal plan is so broad, but now I narrowed it down to daily meal plan, and I've seen that few people have written on it. So if you write on this, your book will be seen and you will record sales. So the second factor I'll be checking is the bestseller rank. For instance, if you click on the first book, the diabetic cookbook and meal plan for the newly diagnosed, if you click on it, you will see that the bestseller rank is below 300. Like I said earlier, I'm looking for anyone that is within 300k and below. So this particular one has bestseller rank of 179, so it's not up to 300k. So this particular topic, one can actually write on it and you will make sales. So this particular topic has passed the two factors I'm considering. Like I said earlier, I'm not using any calculator, any established calculator. This is what I have used that has worked for me. You can actually do this using any topic at all, both in health, finance, relationship, any niche, any topic you want to write. You can just search for it and consider these two factors before you decide to write on that topic. Let's just search for how to find train a girl child. One thing I love about Amazon is that you can write on any topic and it will sell if you search for it, as if you try to consider these two factors before writing on that. So as you can see from this, how to train a girl child is a topic someone can write on. As you can see from this video, the search result is up to 200. It's not less than 100. If it's less than 100, say that people are not buying it. People are buying it's up to 200. People are searching for it, and it's not above 1,000. That the market is not yet saturated, and people are still writing on it. This particular book, was written just 2022. It's not an old book at all. People are still writing on it. So this one was written on September 2024. So let's just have to train. Okay, let's see. Only this particular one has passed our first factor of search result, not more than 1,000. Let's see if the bestseller rank is okay. Like I said, you can use this for any topic at all. The bestseller rank of this particular one that I click on is not given, so you can't just write on this. It's above 300, is even getting to up to 1 million. So you can also do this using any topic at all. So this one passed the first factor, but didn't pass the second factor. So I'm going to try another topic. Let's try healthy living for women. So I don't want this video to be too long, so I will be ending this video right now, because we can use any topic to do this. Okay, so that particular topic you want to write on, just do this and you see whether you want to go ahead and write it, or you choose a different topic. Like this particular one now had a search result above 1,000, is even 10,000. This particular topic is saturated. If you write on it, your book won't be seen. That's the essence. So you search for a topic that is the search result is less than 1,000, and the bestseller rank is between 100 to 300, is not above 300k. That's when you write on that particular topic, you will actually record sales. So that will be all for now. If you have any question, you can comment and I'll respond to you. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. I'll be making another video on how to narrow down a niche, narrow down a topic, so that you will be able to record sales.